Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nubia Z60S Pro, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find theme and personalization. Then let's tap on the wallpaper, and here we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. As you can see, we've got a lot of options to choose from. At the top we've got also your recently used wallpapers, and you can tap on this picture icon to open your own gallery. So all you have to do is to find the photo you'd like to use and tap on it. So let me choose maybe... There's really lots of beautiful options, maybe this one. So simply after tapping on it, you will see the wallpaper on the full screen, so just tap on Set As, and here we have to decide where we want to set it, so as a home screen, lock screen, or both, and I will choose both options, so let me tap on it. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.